How to apply for food stamps in Pennsylvania. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for food stamps in Pennsylvania, helping you access vital support. To apply for food stamps in Pennsylvania, visit the Compass website and create an account. Complete the online application with your household information, income, and expenses. You can also submit a paper application at your local county assistance office. After applying, you'll need to attend an interview to verify your eligibility. Now you know how to apply food stamps in Pennsylvania, allowing you to get started with your applications.